This is my InvestEngine portfolio update. This is where I make money doing absolutely nothing using a managed portfolio. I'm going to show you the results of that. Hi, this is Mosh. I make investing and finance simple and easy to understand. Anything I learn, I teach you guys. There's no wasting time here. I'm going to get straight into it and show you the results. Now, as you can see, I'm on a growth portfolio and I have been doing this update every single month. Now you can see I started this in March 2021. For me, it was a bit of a test, a bit of a trial and error to see how it would go. And it's doing incredibly well. I'm up 9.48%. Don't worry about the value because I've not put much into this. I'm quite an active investor and a trader, so I'm planning to put more money into it. I just want to see the actual results of this and see after a year how much I get. Now imagine, the InvestEngine has returned me 9.48%. Your bank is offering you 1%, 2% at the most, and most likely less. And inflation is going through the roof. If you're new to InvestEngine, I'm going to quickly talk about what they do and what they offer. So they are an ETF investment portfolio maker. So ETF stands for exchange traded funds. They don't invest in individual companies. They invest in a basket of shares. So for example, the S&P 500 is a well-known ETF. Vanguard have it, iShares have it, loads of people do it. All that means is it's the top 500 companies in the US that you're investing into and not one single one, because that greatly reduces your risk. And there's a lot of historic data for ETFs. For example, the S&P 500 has an annual return rate of around 10%. Now, if you press get started, you can do it as an individual. It says invest with an ISA or a personal account, or invest with your company's surplus cash. It is always bad just to sit on cash because inflation is eating away at your cash basically. It's basically like a hidden tax. Now, great thing with ISA is any gains made in an ISA account is always tax-free. Whether you are an individual or a business, there's two ways to do it. I am personally using the managed portfolio and they charge a ridiculously low fee of 0.25% as an annual fee. Now, what that means is they will do all the buying, the selling for you and the rebalancing. So literally in this account, I've done zero work since March 2021. I initially put in £150 and it stayed like that just to see the results, and they do everything else. And you can actually see what they're buying and selling for you. Once you got your account set up, you can go to your allocations and you can see exactly what ETFs they're investing in for you. So 84.1% is equities, is in shares, 9.9% is in bonds, and they'll tell you what type of bond it is. And alternatives, for example, iShares physical gold, there's a certain amount in there. Now, another cool thing is, so for example, if they've invested in something that you're not sure about, like for example, iShares aging population, it tells you what this ETF is about. So for a very low fee of 0.25%, which is basically for every £100 is 25 pence, and they are doing all the work for you. The other option is to do it yourself ETF. So you're investing in the ETFs yourselves, the things that you like. But obviously for this option, you have to have some sort of experience and knowledge of the stock market. Like I said earlier, I've only invested a small amount, but the key thing is a percentage. I'm up 9.48%. I could have had £10,000 in there, £1 million, it'd still be up the same amount if I invested at the same time. Once I start taking money out of my other trades, I'm going to invest more and more into this because it seems to be working. The evidence is right in front of you. And for me, as I said, it was a test to see how well InvestEngine will do. And this is how the rich people do their investing. They give someone else their money to get returns on. And clearly this is working. Now, the best thing of all is you can get £25 absolutely free. All you have to do is use my link in the description box below, sign up to InvestEngine, and it is an affiliate link. So you only get that £25 with my link. Deposit a minimum of £100 into there. And just bear in mind, you have to keep the money in there for a minimum of 12 months. Otherwise, you have to give that £25 bonus back to them. I've been doing InvestEngine updates every single month and will continue to do so you guys can see exactly what is going on in my portfolio, because I like being as transparent as possible. If you want to watch the sign up process of InvestEngine, give this video a watch here.